viewers, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful crochet embroidered pillow cushion covers, crochet covers ideas and crochet pattern. Beautiful home decor, living room and bedroom, and sofa cushion covers, pillows. uh, Beautiful ideas for crochet pattern, full embroidered uh, design, and color blocking, vibrant color, eye-catching look, and different elements, add different elements, decorative ideas like tassels, pillow cushion covers, corner tassels, and balls, soft cozy balls, and different ideas. So I hope you like it, my video and my channel. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern, different styles, and perfect crochet gift for every ascension and event function, as a family member and relative friend, as a gifting way. Best option and best idea. So I hope you like it, my video and my channel. So see these videos till the end and mention the comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern. So